My name is Mistress Spencer. I live at Old Harbor, St. Catherine. My
Speak a little louder.
at Old Harbor, and I heard about you people, and you come along, and your products, George Diary, George Diary, and your products is very good because I have a problem over 6 years and no doctor could not get it better. They tell me how to lay down and sleep. And it so happened that for the third day that I take the medicine, I feel so different, like something new happened, but I still did not realize that it was the stomach go right back, the stomach set back, and I can eat and drink anything. I have no problem with it. Everything is good. God is good. I mean, from the first time I saw you and you talk about God, I believe this was it. And I accept it for the first time I see you. And everything was so good. God is a good God. In your problem, when you think it not, God is there for you. And I glorify everything that happened because I tell you, I don't hear my hear what it money to do it, but this is the blessing from God. It been so good to me because whenever time I'm telling somebody about it, I say I have a new stomach. Nothing is up here. When I eat, everything pack up here, and it's not here anymore. I can hear rolling down in my tummy that I never have for 6 years, and I can hear it. So I know God been good to me. I'm thanking God for the person who make this product. It's it been so good. That this product is a wonderful product. I would tell anybody to really try this product. It is good. There is not another product beside this one.